In this video, you can follow along with me as I work on a commission piece. This work is to be a graduation gift for a law enforcement officer, a place where they can store their gear, charge their phone, and even keep their, dare I say, pew pew safe. I hope you enjoy the video. I had a lot of fun making this project despite some hiccups along the way. And if you enjoy it and you're not already, consider subscribing to the channel. I look forward to making more projects like this in the future. Oh, we should do slow-mo. Yeah, a firefly.
You want to let go in your house?
I don't care. You can.
Okay.
Is he flying?
Look. He's not flying.
He's not flying? Did you squish him? Oh no! Why do I always break these? Can I reach it? Oh, thank you, Lord. When things just fit together so well that you end up with a suction, it's so satisfying. But wait, I dropped it. After the stain has dried for 24 hours, I use some 240 grit sandpaper, just hand sanded very lightly with the wood grain. You can tell the difference there, but before you apply any finish, I love these little tack cloths. They're basically rags with wax all over them, and they grab all the dust off of the pieces before you add finish.